What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about how you can customize your GitHub profile and take it to another level. So I realize a lot of people don't actually know that you can do this, and it's a really good way to actually set up a portfolio or just make your profile stand up, whether it's just to look cool or applying for a job or what have you. So here's my personal profile. I've got a header image, of course, for iOS Academy. I've got some text, couple links. You can actually go even more nuts with this and add like automated jobs to pull like blog posts and YouTube videos and things like that. But yeah, it's pretty cool. So we'll talk about how to set this up. Spoiler alert, it's pretty simple. If you're into that, start by destroying the like button down below, hit subscribe as per usual, and let's get into it. So obviously you need to go to github.com, create an account, and if you don't have one, if you do, sign in and head to your profile. Now, prior to having a customized look and feel here, what you'll see is basically your repositories down here. I've got mine. I think they're ordered by most popular. And basically to create your customized page here, which I've done already, the first step is to create a public repo which has a name that matches your username. So my username, Afraz Codes, and then I created this repo which is public with the exact same name. Now since I created it already, I'm just going to go ahead and clone it and show you guys what you really need to do to just set it up. It's really simple. So I'm going to go ahead and open up terminal here. We're going to cd to our desktop, and I'm going to do a git clone of that repo. It's super duper small, so like that it actually cloned already, and then we'll cd into it, and then we'll open it up. Now in this repo we only have two files, one of them being the header image, which you guys saw on my profile, and the other being a readme. So let's go ahead and open up this readme. I'll open it up in Atom. And what you'll see is, what you probably already guessed, is all you need to do is set up a README here. And the README that you're going to put here in your repo, which has the same name as your username, is what will show up here. And that's really all there is to it. So let's just take a look at mine really quickly. So first and foremost, I've got a image. When you do upload the image, it goes to githubusercontent.com and then slash the repo name, slash the username, the repo name, and then the branch, and then the actual image dot whatever extension. Having images is like a kind of nice way to, first of all, make your profile pop. It just looks different, and I think it's particularly cool, and it helps you stand out. Not the greatest for SEO, since if you put text in here, it won't get indexed, but it still looks pretty cool. And then underneath it, I've just got some text about me and then some links and stuff as well. Now, there are ways to, like I mentioned, hook up automated jobs to pull YouTube video links and even your GitHub stats in a nicer looking format than just your repo cards here. Now I'm going to do a second video on that because it's a little more involved. This one's more of an overview, and I actually haven't set that up for myself yet, but still pretty cool getting just this in general. I think something like 1% of GitHub profiles actually use this feature, probably because it's not really advertised, and I don't know if that's by design. It's kind of like an Easter egg, but not really. But that's basically it. You can go ahead and put together the README here, and so long as, if you have an image, so long as you include the image in the same repo, then push it on up, and just make sure your username matches and refresh your page, and you should see your updated profile. Now, good use cases, like I mentioned very briefly, just to make your profile stand out, but even more so if you're going to apply for a job and you might not have a personal website. I particularly do myself, but if you don't, you can use this as a portfolio. So if you're in the mobile space doing iOS and Android apps or whatever, you can put your download links here, your badges, you can put some screenshots here. You're not limited to just one image like I've got. If you're, a totally different type of dev where you're doing web stuff or any portfolio piece that you worked on, I super encourage you to put it here. Just make sure you format your images to not be like obnoxiously big or small so it looks nice. Fairly simple markdown support for a README. But yeah, that's all I've got for you guys today. Hopefully this helped a lot of you, because a lot of people don't know about this, and everyone I mentioned to is surprised. If you enjoyed the video and haven't done so already, drop a like down below, subscribe for more. We're almost at 30k subs, and leave a comment down below. Do you guys have your GitHub profile customized already? Do you plan to do so? And if you do so, leave a comment to your profile down below. I'd love to check it out. I think I always like seeing new designs of people's profiles and how creative people are. So that's all I've got. Thanks again for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.